Hi guys, it's Marianne, the Frugal Chef. Today let's make a Pina Colada smoothie. It is virgin, no alcohol here. It's great, super refreshing. It's gonna start getting nice and warm these days. And yeah, it's a nice smoothie. Before we do anything, if you could please sub, I'd really appreciate it. Turn on the notification button and let's make this. We are using coconut cream that's unsweetened for this drink. This is very easy to find in the Asian aisle of the supermarkets. I will put a link at the bottom just in case you can't find it. If you want to buy it through me at Amazon, I'll get a few cents commission. So I'm going to add a cup of that cream in here. I'm going to add half a cup of water. This is pineapple that I bought, chopped, and froze. So I'm going to add about a half a cup of it into our blender. You can use store-bought frozen pineapple, and you can also use fresh pineapple if you want. I just want it to be nice and icy. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of sweetener. I'm using this, that's what I have at home. Use whatever sweetener you want. I'm gonna add a half a teaspoon of vanilla in here, and a pinch of salt. All right, let's go blend it. So let's taste this. Oh, take me to the beach. Tastes like a pina colada. It is nice, guys. Oof, can't beat that. Low in carbs and super, super smooth and silky and delicious. Hope you make this. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you soon.